we start ripping. And if you don't want to do that right now, it'll always be at the beginning of the YouTube video. I don't think we have anybody new. I think this is a conglomeration of primo breakers, straight up, across the board. I guess I could say Eric's new, but I think he's been in my break before, and we're definitely in a lot of breaks. So, last chance to get a screenshot. It is 8:43. It is time to rip. We ain't waiting no more. Good luck. Where do I start here? I don't rip that Band-Aid off yet. We'll start here. We're not going to rip this Band-Aid off yet. Nope, not yet. All right, let's see something good. What do you say? 5 cards per pack. Thank you so much, everybody. I didn't do my regular spiel. That's okay. You guys know that the replays are on YouTube and all that stuff. So let's pull something nasty. I know that's the intent. That's why we're all here. We want to see something good. That is an empty box. Nothing left in there. Let's give it a quick count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We got all our packs. That just means it's ripping time. Appreciate you, Danny. I ain't seen you in a minute, bro. How you doing? Come on, let's get some people something good tonight. Let's get some people more than a couple. We start out with not the worst thing in the world, a Tidal Waves Tyreek Hill out of 75 going to the Dolphins, and that is Mr. Bowers. Behind that is a year 2 Bijan, Dak Prescott, Jay Jetta, and another Tyreek Hill. This is what I've opened enough of these Elite now that when I sort, and watch this be the one time that it doesn't happen. Elite gives you at least 1 card of every team. And that's at the minimum. Basically, I'm saying there will be at least a base card in Elite for your team. Without fail. Not every box can you say that for. Score. Ooh. Take that. 25 out of 49. Anthony Richardson for the Colts, going to 218. That's a good-looking card. Behind that is a Roshan Johnson, Sam Laporta, Zay Flowers, and Alvin Kamara. It's a nice start. Out of 75 and out of 49. He's supposed to play this week. He's supposed to be back this week. Yeah, it's nice looking, Gil. Oh, we got another quarterback of some sort. Oh, a little Jordan Travis out of 399 for the Jets. We'll take that, Jaws. Yes, we will. Behind that gentleman is Will Levis, Daron Payne, Chris Jones, and Kyle Shanahan. Good old Kyle Shanahan. Out there calling all kinds of really cool plays because he's Kyle Shanahan. I got to play the Niners at the end of the year. It's your boy, Will Levis. Comps through the roof. On the High Life, Evan Ingram came back this week. His boy, Trevor Lawrence, Baker Mayfield, Kyron Williams, and Jaden Reed. On the Elite deck, another Anthony Richardson for the Colts. For the Browns, out of 999, Jamari Thrash. Does anybody know if he's related to James? Lamar Jackson, Kyler Murray, and Brian Burns. Or is his last name just Thrash? Until I know the answer, he gets a top loader. And then I'm not going to take him out of it, so he stays in there. All right, we got a kid reporter. Travis Etienne. Bernie Kosar. Jackson Smith. Never know if these are a die cut or not. Alex Singleton. And it's an auto. Looking a little saintish. Maybe not. Maybe so. Could be. Spencer Rattler. Auto. 232 out of 499. Headed out to the Saints. And Slaveruskis. Turn of the century. Out of 499. 232 out of 499. Not terrible. Okay. Okay. Come on, Elite. What else? What other surprises you got? What other surprises you got chilling in here? That is a lineman. Fashanu for the Jets out of 249. Chris Long, University of Virginia. Nico Collins. Tyler Algier and DeAndre Hopkins. Trey Benson for the Cardinals. It's a start. Cardinals. Rookie on deck. Evan Ingram. Anders Carlson. Devontae Adams. And Jalen Hurts. Yeah, dude. Well, so I know why they're doing that. There's only a short window with Aaron Rodgers. They need to start winning, and they need to start winning now. And they're trying to do everything they possibly can, like firing coaches, and like they're trying to make it happen. The owner's probably thinking this should work, and it's not working. Zaire Franklin out of 399 for the Colts. Colts have been doing work in this box. Matt Stafford, Jordan Love, Raheem Mostert, and Micah Hyde. Yep. Cam Jordan. See that if the Saints weren't good, that'd be somebody I'd be like, Detroit, go out there and get him. He's got a few years left. Micah Parsons. Okereke. Emmitt Smith. And our other auto. That's looking awful commander-ish. Nope. Yep. Luke McCaffrey on card auto. Pen pals. Nice, Jeff. We'll take that. They're trying to incorporate him more and more. He's about 1 to 2 games away from scoring a touchdown. Like he got close this weekend. That's a Niner. Elitist. Elitist. Joe Montana. Eli Manning. Jacoby Myers. Kenneth Walker III and Reggie Wayne. Okay. Eli's your boy. You stop it. Eli's America's quarterback, Gil. Okay. Brock Bowers for the Raiders headed out to the Cheeseman, I believe. Yep. Ladd McConkey out of $9.99 for the Chargers. We'll definitely take that, David. Cole Kmet, Breece Hall, and Josh Allen. Little Lad McConkey action. Puka Nakua on the full throttle, 129 out of 349 for the Rams. Not bad, Dylan, bro. Brock Purdy. Anzalone. Mike Evans. And the newest Bill, Amari Cooper. Oh, man, that's such a bad idea. That's just not good, you guys. That already feels wrong just saying it. Amari Cooper should not have Josh Allen. That's a problem. That's a real problem. J.J. McCarthy for the Vikings. There you go, bro. It's a start. Rookie elitist J.J. McCarthy. Estime? Audric Estime? Out of $9.99 for the Broncos. Roquan Smith. CeeDee Lamb. And Anthony Richardson. Bucky Irvin for the Bucks on the extra edition. Headed to the Cheeseman. Tank Dell, C.J. Stroud, Jeremiah Trotter, and Demario Douglas. Okay. Where's your boy at, Gil? Is he one of these last packs here? Is your boy in here? I think we got a patch. A.J. Brown. Ray Lewis. For the Bengals, Joe Burrow. Lawrence Taylor. Oh, I know those colors, and I think I know that last name. For the Niners, Epic Materials. 81 out of 500, Brock Purdy. Not bad, Mr. Bowers. We'll take Brock Purdy patches. Yes, we will. Yes, we certainly will. Not bad. Amari Cooper, 31 out of 99 for the Browns. Ramondre Stevenson, Marcus Colston, Myles Garrett, and John Elway. He's headed to another place. He's headed to a new squad with new dreams. On the high life for the Broncos, Cortland Sutton, Patty Mahomes, DJ Moore, Otis Anderson, and Puka Nakua. Two packs left. We're opening an Electrum next. We're ripping the Band-Aid off. For the Jets, I don't know if I've pulled this yet. Isaiah Davis for the Jets out of $3.99. TJ Watt, Christian McCaffrey, Devin Witherspoon, and James Conner. Isaiah Davis, South Dakota State. Warren Sapp, Bryce Young, Cortland Sutton, Jamar Chase, and a Will Levis to end it out. Just like Gil would always want, elite deck. All right, we're doing an Electrum. It's Electrum time. I hope it can be very nillish, folks. Well, I've only opened one. But I can tell you right now, it was very nillish. But there's so much potential, considering there's not a lot of options when it comes to getting these rookie QB autos. Let's hope we get one of them. And obviously, if there's split cards or if there's 3 teams, like, we're going to figure that stuff out. You guys know that. Let's take this divider out. It's always a pain. Divider gone. Let's put one of those right there. Let's put one of these on top. Emptiness. Nothing left. Here's our cards. I wonder what can be in here. Somebody be spotting me on these nils. I know it kind of tells you. I think it kind of tells you. First up. Well, we know that. I know who that is. Electrum star Devontae Adams out of 45. 8 out of 45. Believe that's going to the Choosman. And he has the nil spot. Oh, boy. What are we in for here? Bodman. Hang on. Bills. You need help. Nothing to hang your hat on yet. Number 29. Electrum Prospects. Tawi Walker out of 25. I believe Prospects is nil. I believe if they put Prospects, it's nil. I'm fairly confident of that. Who that gent? Futures. Jurion Dickey out of 25. 16 out of 25. That's nil as well, I believe. So that's 1 pro, 2 nil. And don't worry, if they're, I will actually check each and every one of these. I always do. Prospects, Darius Taylor. Where's he play at? Minnesota? Out of 45. 5 out of 45. Yep, Golden Gopher. Freshman in 2023. Okay. Oh, I didn't hide that one, did I? Well, good news. It's another nil. Jaden Voyison out of 15 on the Electrum Prospects. Not sure where he plays. Maybe Miami? I don't know. Where's Voyison play at? It's another prospect. Nate Noel out of 25. So that's 5 out of 6 so far. I know that person. Holy crap. Brennan Armstrong, and he's wearing UVA's jersey. He didn't finish there. Did he go to a team? Dylan, is he on a team? Electrum rookie? Did he get drafted by somebody? or signed. It's my boy. Well, he was kind of my boy. So he was there when everything was still okay, and then everything went to not okay. We'll have to check to see if he's actually somewhere. Crystallography. Christopher Vizina. Out of 5. No clue. No clue. Okay, so he's over here. Is he still at Clemson, Danny? Okay. Wow. There's got to be at least one more. Come on. They're not mixing them up right. Prospects. Victor Rosa. Nil. Out of 59. Wow. This one's going to have more than the other one did. Come on, Leaf. You got to have at least something. Well, I mean, this isn't terrible. Crystallography. Terrell Davis for the Broncos. Out of 290 or out of 29. 23 out of 29. Not bad. Not terrible. Who got dimmer? Mr. Waller. Wow, you guys. Really? You know there's not boxes that are... You know every box isn't like this. There's no way. Now, maybe there's a decent amount of them that are that way. James does. And he paid for them, too. Because I made him a decent amount just in case this happened. So, 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. Good news is that box is not all that much. So, it didn't really dictate the prices all that much. But, yeah, it's full of nil. Full of nil. All right, let's open some 2023. It did give us a legend. Thank goodness. Oh, Herbie, what are you doing? Bro. Hold up. Herbie. Bro, y'all want to be playing games with me. We're doing H2 time. I'm telling you guys, there's no way. There's no way. Now, are the vast majority of them like this? I don't know. I've opened 2. And the other one had 3 and 7. And this one had 2 and 8. So, if you open a good one, is it spectacular? Does it just keep happening? I believe there's 4 packs? 4 packs. 6 cards per pack. There's our 4 packs. There's our 6 cards per pack. Let's get into it. 2023. Gabriel Davis for the Bills. Eric Gray for the G-Men. Aaron Donald, silver for the Rams. Look at that. Well, if he ever plays again, that's the second Bryce Young 1-of-1 I pulled. Wow. What are the odds, dude? Both of them. Both of those cards are straight nasty if this guy was anything at all. First overall pick. That's the second 1-of-1 I pulled. I don't remember what the other one... I think the other one was out of select, too. It was just... it wasn't sweet level. It was something else. Well, the Panthers were worth it tonight. Cheap. Going to Dylan Faith. Yaya Diaby and CeeDee Lamb. What are the odds of that? That's a little bit weird. Come and get your Panthers here. Oh, that's awful thick. Wow. Jair Brown. Christian McCaffrey. Miles Murphy, silver for the Bengals. Is that? No, can't be. Kenny Pickett out of 49 for the Steelers. James Cook and Kayshon Boutte. Gil, that Origin's going to have to save you, brother. Maybe. Of course, it's Kenny Pickett. Kenny Pickett and Bryce Young. A select special. Patty Mahomes. Lamb Jack. Trevor Lawrence. For the Ravens. There you go, Bod Man. I don't think it's numbered, but it's disco. Not bad. Jalen Hyatt and Darnell Washington for the Steelers. One left. One pack left, and then we're going to rip open that Origins and try to make a dream come true. Oh, did I just see what I don't know. Jahmyr Gibbs. Jerry Jeudy. Jalen Hurts on the disco. Pull from the back here. Sam Howell. Josh Allen. And what is this? What is that right there? Ugh. 3 out of 10. And now that's an H2. Jalen is not numbered. A 101 Bryce Young and an out of 10 RPA of Anthony Richardson. That's H2 box right there. 218, are you in here? Because you just got a nasty card. That's what we're looking for around these parts. It's okay. Do you want me to keep it? I won't send it. I'll just keep it. I'll put it in my PC. It looks cool. It's kind of shiny. I don't think anybody really actually wants it. I'll hold on to it for you. And it's no biggie. Wow. That's a good box. And as all of you know, can't everybody get a piece? But that's a good box. Even with a Kenny Pickett chilling in it. Oh, that's a nasty. We like you. All right. And the finale. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Mayday. There's our pack. There's our empty box. Good luck, everybody. You know I'll take care of you, so don't worry about it. Maybe you'll hit something here. All right, we start out with a Green Bay Packer. It is Jordan Love. Do I have? Yep, 7 cards. Jordan Love for the pack. We got a redemption. Malik Neighbors for the G-Men. Rookie Jumbo Jersey Autographs, number 14. Marshawn Lloyd for... Hang on. I know that. Oh, I'm drawing a blank. Help me. think is it Bills? I can't remember. I can't remember who he's... Oh, that's it, isn't it? It is. It's the pack. That's right. Thank you, Gil. For the Vikings. For the Vikings. For the Vikings. For the Vikings. J. McCarthy. On card. Special. Headed out to Scotty, I believe. What a nice card. That's nice. Hold up. Well, here, I'm just going to lay it on top. I'm going to lay him on top of Jalen. Behind him was a Panther, and it is the one we want. The Panthers. Out of 75, Xavier Leggett on the tricolor patch. Out of 75. Wow, wow, woo, wow. Jalen Johnson for the Bears out of 149. And our last chance. One card remains for the Denver Broncos. Estime out of 75 for the Broncos. Well, folks, that was a pretty good break. I know some of you missed, Gil specifically, but I know some others missed as well. I'll take care of you, but that's pretty nice. I'm sorry everybody can't get a piece of that, but wow. Scotty, are you Scotty? Hey, Scotty. Sconmeister. Scon Dizzle. Appreciate you, Gil. I got your back, bro. Let me know how that rip goes if you don't post it. Let me know what happens. What's in it. If it gets there. Scotty Meister. Did he pass out and do a backflip? Simultaneously? Simultaneously passed out and did a backflip at the same time. Oh, no. Yeah, we'll use the big one. Wow, wow, woo, wow. All right, it is recap time. Appreciate you, bro. It is recap time. So, these are all of the nil spots. Victor Rosa, Christopher Vizina, Brennan Armstrong, Jaden Voyson, Darius Taylor. You missed it, Scotty. Nothing happened. Never mind. Forget it. Jerron Dickey, Tywee Walker, and Nate Noel. Those are all going to the Cheeseman. And let's do a recap of this. That's all yours, Scotty. Did you see that? Did you see that? Did you see that? The second Bryce Young 1 of 1 I pulled out of select. What is that, dude? What is that? And like I said, you guys all know I'll take care of you. There's only so much you can get out of 4 hobby boxes that don't have endless amounts of cards in them. But considering what was in it, that was a good break. Wish we could have got a couple more out of that leaf, though. Just a couple more. Maybe even it out a little bit. But, all right. Joe Montana on the elitist. J.J. McCarthy, rookie elitist. Luke McCaffrey, Pen Pals auto for the Commanders. Zaire Franklin out of 399. Fashanu out of 249. Brock Bowers, Spencer Rattler auto out of 499. Anthony Richardson, another Anthony Richardson out of 49. Wow, he really did work in this, didn't he? 218, did you know something? Lad McConkey out of 999. Trey Benson, Evan Ingram, Puka Nacua out of 349. Jordan Travis out of 399. Tyreek Hill out of 75. Jalen Johnson out of 149. Devontae Adams out of 45. You won't need the Colts again, like ever, anytime soon. Will Levis, Elite Deck. Isaiah Davis out of 399 for the Jets. Jalen Hurts, Disco. Jordan Love. Kenny Pickett out of 49. Brock Purdy out of 500. Bucky Irving. Lambjack on the Disco. Aaron Donald Hollow. Terrell Davis Crystallography auto out of 29. Estime out of 75. Jahmyr Gibbs. Amari Cooper out of 99. Marshawn Lloyd for the Pack, I believe. Malik Neighbors. Xavier Leggett patch out of 75. 20 out of 75. J.J. McCarthy on card auto. Oh, that's nasty. Anthony Richardson RPA out of 10. 3 out of 10 to be exact. And, of course, a Bryce Young. 101. I know, B-Craft. One break away. Yeah, Scotty had the read this morning, apparently. He had a good read. But just look at these. Look at that. Look at that. That's just nice. I know, we don't know about this guy. He might not have much left. But he's not done yet. He'll be playing again. I don't know if he'll be playing well or not. But that's just nice. Congrats, everybody, that got a little piece of all that. All right, I'm going to wrap it up. I will make sure and post the video probably tomorrow morning for the replay. And I'll get everything sorted and take care of all you guys, considering some of you didn't get much. I appreciate each and every one of you. I will see you Thursday night. I don't know if I'm going to do another. I have them, but I don't know if I'm going to put another leaf in or not. It's hard to do. If I do, it's going to be a rather inexpensive break, just like this one was, because I don't want to put that in and make it over the top. So if I do, it's going to be moderate. It's not going to be anything crazy. But we had a pretty good break. I will see you all Thursday night. I'll post a break Thursday morning. I hope you have a good Wednesday tomorrow, and Primo will be looking for you on the other side of it. Everybody have a good night. Thanks, everybody.